Okay, expand to at least 4 terms. Not going to be easy, but we'll do it. There's 2 ways to do it, by evolution or by using a binomial theorem, generalized binomial theorem. Okay, I have the evolution written down for you. I don't have the steps for the binomial expansion, so I'm going to write that down for you. So let's go to the whiteboard. And let's write down the problem, one step at a time. So first thing is just to write down what they want. They want the root of to 4 terms. X squared plus xy plus y squared. My first step is to factor out x squared in the problem because I need a 1 in the leading term. So x squared times, let's see what you're going to get, 1 plus, you're going to get, let's see, you want xy there, right? So it's going to be y over x. Then you're going to get plus y squared over x squared. All right? Now this is conditionally true, but the square root of x squared, we'll just accept it to be x at this point. And then what I need to do is expand this. 1 plus, I'll write in parentheses for you, y over x plus y squared over x squared to the 1/2 power. Relatively simple to do, at least to write down. Simplification might be difficult, but we can write this down. So it's going to be x times, well, it's going to be 1 plus 1/2. I'm using the generalized binomial theorem. Y over x plus y squared over x squared. Now I got to do the next term. That's a little more difficult for me. I have to write down the coefficient first. So a little side work is in order here. It's going to be 1/2. Then, excuse me, 1/2 minus 1 is minus 1/2 divided by 2 factorial, and that's going to give you minus 1/8. Then write that down, minus 1/8. And then I got to square. Let me get my eraser out. I'm going to erase this business over here. And I got to square somebody, right? So I got to square this guy over here. Just like my side work. Well, that's not too bad to do. That's going to be y squared over x squared. There's going to be plus 2 y over x times y squared over x squared plus y4 over x4. Let me write that down. So y squared over x squared, let's see, plus 2 y cubed over x cubed plus y4 over x4. All right, someone says, when are you going to stop? Well, I got to keep moving. Excuse me. Going to do the coefficient first, and that's going to be 1/2. And then it's going to be 1/2 minus 1, minus 1/2. And 1/2 minus 2 is minus 3/2 over 6. Well, that's going to be 3. Let's see, 2 times 2 is 4, 8. 8 times 6. And that's going to be 3/16 now. I'm sorry, not 3/16. My mistake. 1. 3 goes into 6 twice, 16. Yep, I got to expand to cubic now, right? All stuff that we know how to do. And again, I want to tell you what we're doing over here. We're expanding y over x plus y squared over x squared, and we're cubing it. So this is going to be, let's see, I'm going to erase this later, by the way. It's y cubed over x cubed plus 3 times y over x squared squared times y squared over x squared plus 3 y over x times y4 x4 plus y6 over x6. Let's write that down. So y cubed over x cubed. By the way, if you realize you should stop now, that's fine, but I do want to write another term down, or a couple terms down, a couple more terms down. Next term is going to be plus 3, and then you're going to get y4 over x4 plus 3 y5 over x5 plus y6 over x6. And this goes on forever. Right? My goal over here is to not go on forever, but to write down 4 terms. So I see a 1. I'll outline this for you. I see that right here. What else do I see? I see, let's see, I see y over 2x. All right, a little more difficult now. I got this over here. And by the way, I'm going to get my eraser out to erase this thing over here. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to look for the next term in the list, which would be y squared over x squared. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. I meant to do this. All right, I got to figure out the coefficient of that, right? So what would that be? It would be 1/2 minus 1/8. Common down to the 8, you would get 4 minus 1, which is 3/8. I'll write that down for you. Y squared over x squared. I get my eraser out, and I want to go to the very next term. And what's that going to be? Let's get the green highlighter out now. And I'm going to say that's going to be the cubic, right? So this guy here and this guy here. Okay, I got to do it. What do you get there? You would get minus 1/4 plus 1/16. Well, come then there would be 16. Minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3. So you get minus 3/16 of y cubed over x cubed. I'm just going to put dot, dot, dot now. I'm not going to go there because they just want 4 terms. And I got 4 terms now. I'm going to write it down. We'll check the key later, but I'm going to write this down. This is going to be x plus y over 2. We'll check the key later. Plus 3y squared over 8x minus 3y cubed over 16x squared plus yada, yada, yada. Put a box in this. And, you know, certainly these are prone to error. And what I mean by that, if there is an error, I got to correct it. And I hate to go back over it, but I'm hoping I got the key. And I'm looking at the key now. And this is, like I always say, if you're in mathematics, you got a key, you got a gift. And let's see if I've got it. I got the x. I got the y over 2. 3y squared over 8x. Minus 3y cubed over 16x squared. We are done. We got 4 terms. And by the way, this is my preferred method of doing it. However, I want to be honest with you, I don't find it easy myself, all right? I find it kind of difficult to do. But we did get the answer, matching the key, and we're good to go. Thank you.